if you're experiencing a sync error on Rocket Matter 2026, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A stable connection is essential for syncing data. If your connection is weak or intermittent, try resetting your router or switching to a different network. Step 2. Restart Rocket Matter. Close the Rocket Matter application completely and reopen it. This can refresh the app and resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the sync error. Step 3. Update the application. Make sure you are using the latest version of Rocket Matter. Check for updates in your App Store or the Rocket Matter website. Installing the latest version can fix bugs and improve functionality. Step 4. Clear cache. If you are using a web browser, clear the cache and cookies. This can help eliminate outdated data that may be interfering with the sync process. After clearing, restart the browser and log back into Rocket Matter. Step 5. Contact support. If the error persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Rocket Matter's customer support. Provide them with details about the issue, and they can offer further assistance or escalate the problem if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the sync error on Rocket Matter 2026. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.